We will blur the face in this video using DaVinci Resolve Motion Tracker. First, let's start from scratch by importing our video to DaVinci Resolve. Drag your video to the timeline. Enter the Color tab, and move the playhead to the frame you want the blur effect to start in. Select the window button, then choose a shape for the blur effect. Relocate the shape around the object you want to blur, and resize it accordingly. Click the tracker button, and disable Perspective 3D option, so your won't rotate out of view. Press the Track Forward button. Press the Blur button, and move up the radius bar to set the strength of the blur effect. Go to the Edit tab, and watch the results. All done. Please subscribe.